Okay, so today we are shooting shooting a very interesting short film, Doodh Patti, which is collaboration between Creator One Shots and Next Level Entertainment, and I'm having an amazing time here. My character is, इसको चाय बहुत अच्छी बनानी आती है. This is the only thing I can tell you अभी, बाकी you have to watch. I think आगे तो सारी दुनिया, it's all about digital thing. We are watching Netflix. We are having amazing content on Netflix and other platforms. And I'm very hopeful, इंशाल्लाह हम भी जल्द से जल्द इस पे बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें दे रहे होंगे.